Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the time in your Lexus NX. First, locate your vehicle's clock, which is typically in the center console. If your Lexus has a display screen, begin by pressing the menu button or the settings icon. From there, you will need to navigate to the Setup or General section within the on-screen options. This initial step will lead you to the main clock adjustment area. Once you are in the General or Setup menu, look for and select the Clock or System Time option. Here, you will find various settings related to your vehicle's time display. You might see choices like Daylight Saving Time or Auto Adjust by GPS. Decide whether you prefer to manually set the time yourself or if you wish to utilize the automatic adjustment features available. To manually adjust the time, if your Lexus has physical buttons, press and hold the H button to change the hour and the M button for minutes. For screen-based systems, use the plus and minus icons to precisely set the hours and minutes. If your clock uses a 12-hour format, remember to select the correct AM or PM setting to ensure accuracy for your current time. After making your adjustments, confirm the new time by pressing OK or simply exiting the menu. The system usually saves automatically. Remember to enable or disable daylight saving time as appropriate for your region. For ultimate convenience, you can also activate the Auto Adjust by GPS feature, which will automatically update your clock based on your location and time zone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.